Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study in a good way, step by step. First, find a quiet spot where you can focus without interruptions. Next, decide exactly what you want to accomplish during your study time. This helps you stay on track and feel productive. Breaking down big assignments into smaller parts makes them less overwhelming and easier to start. This foundational approach sets you up for success. To truly understand and retain information, active learning is crucial. Instead of just rereading, try to remember facts and ideas from memory. Then, articulate the main points in your own language, which deepens your comprehension. A powerful technique is to explain what you've learned to a friend or even just to yourself out loud. This process solidifies your knowledge and highlights any areas needing more review. Optimizing your study schedule can significantly boost your efficiency. Consider using a structured approach like the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. Consistent, spaced repetition of material helps move information into long-term memory. Also, tackle your most challenging subjects when you feel most alert and focused, typically earlier in your study session, for maximum effectiveness. Finally, your overall well-being plays a huge role in effective studying. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain to consolidate information. Fuel your body with nutritious food and drink plenty of water to maintain energy and focus. Don't forget to include short bursts of physical activity. Even a 10-minute walk can improve circulation and mental clarity, making your study sessions more productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.